My name is Madifatur Rahman with student identification number 22014798 and my friend
Alifatur Rahman Haji Kurniawan with student identification number 22014847.
We are from the 3 Informatic Engineer study program at Amikom Yogyakarta.
Here will explain how to install a LAN UTP cable to the RJ45 connector using the type of crossover cable.
We will provide a tutorial on installing cross cables. For the order of the cross cables, namely with green, with orange, blue, with blue, orange, and with brown, brown. And what we need is LAN cable, RJ45, tester, pliers, and cutter. The first step is that we peel the cable first using pliers. After that, we straighten the inner cable so that it is easy to straighten. After that, we order. First is with green is sorted first. Then with orange and blue. After that, with orange, blue, and with brown, brown. Straighten it first, then tidy it up. Make sure the cable order is correct, from with green, with orange, blue, with blue, orange, and with brown, brown. So if it's appropriate, we cut it using pliers. For installation, the pins are facing downwards. If it was not adjusted right, we put it in the RJ45. Well, if it's like this, it means it's not short enough, so cut it a little more. After that, we check again, maybe the order has changed. Then plug into the RJ45 and make sure this is inside. After that, tighten it using pliers and press it until it clicks just 2 times. After finishing at the first end, continue to the order and we take the cross cable again. First, peel the cable using pliers. After that, first parade the cable the same as before. Then straighten it so it's easy to sort. For cross cable sequence is still the same. So ends A and B or ends left and right both cross. If it's straight like this, we short it first. white, green, green, white, orange, blue, and white, blue, orange, and white, brown, brown. If you can get it straight, so it's easy to sort. After that we cut it. Now before it is cut, it is measured first so that it fits. Before being inserted to the RJ45, we check again. After that we insert it to the RJ45 and then push it in. Once in, tighten using pliers. So continue to be like this. Then we check with the tester. Then turn on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is all on and thank you.